I gotta ride on my Hitchback Pro. That's perfect. Sorry, Dad. It was the wind, I swear. Hey guys, welcome back to e-bike reviews and adventures. It's Emma today. Today I just really want to go for like a little ride, and I want to show you a brand new e-bike that we now have in the garage. So this is the Kingbull Voyager Pro 2. Voyager Pro 2, important to note. And she is really snazzy looking. I don't know. Just looks really nice. It's got your basic features, little LED light in the front there. I think it's interesting. It's got a left side throttle, thumb throttle. We got Stanley here. He's chilling. He's just having fun. He's kicking back, enjoying life. Alright, y'all. So it does have, oh, his leg fell. That's the wind. Oh well. Alright. It does have a 750 watt motor, a 15 amp hour battery, and it does also have up here, all the way down here, it does have hydraulic brakes. So that's a little different. That's interesting. But yeah, we're just gonna go for a little fun drive. Come with me. I gotta put my gear on. I gotta put my gear on. Hold on. Last but not least, and certainly most important, is my helmet. Okay. All right. Oh, there's another really cool feature too that Dad was showing me. So this is the power button. Once it turns on, you probably can't see it because it's really dark. Can you see it? You can kind of see it. It lights up. It lights up. So whenever you're going for like night drives or something like that, you can actually see the stinking buttons, which is actually really nice because we haven't done it in a while, but we used to go for a lot. I should put it in assist, huh? We used to go for a lot of little night drives just as a family. Like after dinner, we'd have like family dinner or something, and we'd go out and we'd have a lot of night drives and stuff like that. Rides. They're not really drives. And it was always so frustrating because you just couldn't see the buttons. I couldn't see if I was bumping it up or bumping it down, especially if it was a bike that I wasn't super familiar with. And it was really frustrating and honestly, kind of dangerous. So it's actually really nice that that's a new feature they have. But as y'all know, Kingbull isn't exactly new to the channel. We've had a couple of their bikes before. Always really like them, really great quality. So kind of excited for this one. That's a stop sign. No one's coming. We're gonna blow it. Don't tell my husband. Tell you what, I absolutely love this little gazebo, I guess you'd call it, over here in this little neighborhood we got. A little tricky turning the corners, but I love coming out here. It's so nice. Can y'all see anything? You can kind of see. Wow, look, there's a little house over there. And there's... You're dirty. You need to be clean. Hello? That's gross. Maybe the other one's cleaner. I doubt it. That one's worse. This is so stupid. Why am I doing this? Wow, look, you can see like all the little trees. Wow, how far can you see? Oh, there's more houses over here. We're 100% just being creepy at this point. It's fine. Wow. Nice. Again, Kingbull, Voyager2. Featuring Stanley. So, something else that's interesting with this bike, made it kind of important to know, it comes with street tires. They're not as rugged, they're a little more sleek, a little more smooth. They're street tires, not, you know, rugged kind of off-road, you know, those knobby tires. So, important to know. Here's a good question to get to know y'all a little bit better. What are some hobbies? Obviously outside of e-biking, okay, and e-triking. What are some hobbies? What do you guys do? Me personally, I garden a lot. I go to the gym. I like weightlifting, been doing that for a couple years. And I've also recently in the last 2 years started taking up gardening. So I've expanded a lot, I've grown a lot of different stuff, had a lot of failures, had a lot of successes. I've grown cucumbers, tomatoes, carrots, potatoes, broccoli, you name it, I've just about tried it. But yeah, working on learning more and more about that, getting better at that. Gonna start getting ready to do my fall garden here soon. But what are some hobbies you guys do? Like, I don't know. Now we got male and females that watch, so I don't know. Do you guys knit? Do you guys hike? Do you guys, what do you do? What are some, I can't even think of hobbies right now. You collect stamps? I don't know. Drop it down below, leave a comment. Maybe even like picture, you can go post on our Facebook group if you have pictures or something of stuff that you guys, bumps. If you have pictures of your hobbies and things that you've done and you would like to post them and share it, go post it in the Facebook group that I will plaster across the screen because I still don't fully remember the name off the top of my head right now. I think it's e-bike life tips, rides, and reviews or something like that. Go check it out. Or I guess you might be able to leave a picture in the comments too here. I don't know. But it'd be cool to know. What do you guys do? Because I know a lot of our viewers tend to be retired and stuff, so you got to do something to fill your days, right? All right, y'all. Well, that's probably going to be just about it. So go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if you're new. We'll see you in the next one. Ride safe, ride responsibly.